I'm so excited to be doing this takeover because we've had such an incredible experience as accounting students at Paul over the past 4 years.
Some of the things we're going to talk about today is how great the professors are, some more detail about the specifics of the program, and hopefully be able to answer any more detailed questions you guys might have. Carolyn and I both chose accounting when we took our first financial accounting class as sophomores with Professor Berube. We both knew from that class onwards that this was something that we wanted to pursue.
We're both starting in accounting positions post-grad in May, and we're so excited to continue in this field. UNH's MSA program is really impressive. They have the #1 CPA exam pass rate in all of New England, and they have a 100% job placement rate after graduation.
While we were both able to secure full-time accounting positions after undergraduate graduation, we were definitely considering coming back for the master's. Our favorite part about being accounting majors is definitely the professors here at Paul.
I know that a lot of students here consider accounting to be a very difficult major, and it certainly is a challenge, but the professors are here to see you succeed. The accounting department does a really great job of putting together networking events to help students find internship and job opportunities.
And the professors do a really great job of making their classes applicable to the real world and help provide us with the resources we need to study for the CPA exam.
My favorite professors would be Professor Berube, Professor Plant, and Professor Root. I've learned so much from all three of them. They're really the best.
And my favorite professors are Professor Berube, Professor Knowles, and Professor Emily Shee. They've all been really influential in my accounting career. As accounting majors, we definitely have time to have social lives outside of school.
Today, for instance, we just had a couple classes, so we went and got coffee, went to class, and then we drove to our favorite spot in Newmarket to enjoy the nice weather. The hardest accounting class I took at UNH was Intermediate Financial Accounting 2 with Professor Plant. I learned so much in that class, though. It was really challenging, but really rewarding, and she's a great professor.
The most difficult class I've had as an accounting major was definitely Intermediate Financial Accounting 1. I had Professor Emily Shee at the time though, and she was really great and was always available to help students when they need it. Our favorite place to study is definitely Paul College breakout rooms.
Yeah, for sure. We really like that you can book them, so you have a set time to go and study. Emma and I spend so much time in Paul College breakout rooms. I'm really excited to be starting in public accounting post-grad.
And I'm going into private accounting post-grad.
They're really different tracks, but both of them have a lot of benefits, and we're really excited. One of the reasons we think that accounting is the best major at UNH is because not that many kids decide to do it, so you get really close with your classmates.
Yeah, and you get to collaborate on a lot of projects throughout the years with your classmates and make a lot of good friends. So at graduation, I accepted a job at a private company, and I'll be an internal accountant, and I'll be helping prepare the financial statements.
I accepted a position at one of the big 4 accounting firms in the audit division. So essentially I'm going to be going in and auditing the type of financial statements that Emma will be preparing. There is an accounting fraternity on campus. It's called Beta Alpha Psi. It was actually just recently brought here to UNH. Professor Root helped get that off the ground, and I would definitely encourage anyone interested to apply. I am graduating with 150 credits, so I'm hoping to sit for the CPA exam over the summer.
And I'm not graduating with 150 credits, but I am looking into grad school, specifically the MSA program here at UNH.
Aspects of an accounting major is that there are so many different avenues you can take. You can do an internal position like Emma's going to do. You can go into audit or tax.
And also there's a lot of great exit options, so if you ever want to leave accounting, you can always go into finance or banking.
I tell everyone I talk to be an accounting major, it's the best decision I've ever made. I absolutely love it. So does Emma. It opens so many doors for you. Everything you learn is so applicable to every avenue of business.
The best advice I have for anyone deciding to be an accounting major is to not get discouraged by the level of difficulty of some of the classes, because once you power through some of those, it'll really open a lot of doors for you and you'll have a lot of opportunities. I really hope we were able to answer all of your questions today.
We really appreciate you guys watching, and if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out.
Thanks so much.
Bye.